Hello, my name is Shelby Grams, and I am currently helping fill in and do videos for my father, Jay. And with that being said, I'm going to give you my best impression of this beautiful 1970 Pontiac Lemans Sport Restomod. Here we have a very high quality frame-off restoration with premium upgrades, and this car deserves a second look at it. Yes, it is obviously a beautifully restored car, but is more than that. It offers undeniable performance, comfort, and reliability. Attention to detail is obvious, turnkey, and ready to enjoy for you. And with that being said, join me and let's go for a spin. Alright, so this car has an incredible body and paint, better than new. It is laser straight with body gaps like a Mercedes on it. The doors, they open and close just like a new car would. This car is fitted with a GTO scooped hood and dual sport mirrors. Also has a power top upgraded with a rich black cloth and glass window. The framework was completely prepped and painted, and all the weather strips and seals were replaced as well. This car has all new chrome and trim that shines. The windshield was also replaced on this car. Now this car was even upgraded with bright HID headlights, and the car is sitting proud on a new modern version of the Rally 2 wheels. There are billet 18x8s in front and 18x9s in back, and are wrapped in performance tires. And just take a second to look at this car. You gotta admit, it's pretty hot looking, and that red pops. Now let's go check out the interior. Now opening up the trunk. Looks very nice. It has been boxed and upholstered with a carpeted floor, and the battery and stereo components are hidden behind the panels, and under the lid and the jamb are painted slick. I just have to say I love the panels in this trunk. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you will be notified when the next video is posted. Now coming to the inside of this car, precision, fit, and finishes. It is all one shade of red that matches the exterior. On all the floor is new carpet with embroidered mats, and the seats were rebuilt and have new cushions. The upholstery was installed without a wrinkle, and the seat backs, headrest, and chrome trim is new. Both have modern power seat assemblies that glide back and forth effortlessly, and the center console is mint, and the shift indicator is updated for the overdrive it has. The door panels, armrest, handles are new, and the dash pad and instrument panel are in excellent shape. I love the red lit Dakota gauges and the push button start. Upgraded with electric slide heater controls, the steering wheel is wrapped with glove soft leather, and there is even a retro stereo with satellite and aux plug. The kick panels has built-in speakers, and there is even an amp and subwoofer in the trunk. And oh yeah, another cool feature is the front and rear cameras with the monitor in the mirror. Now under the hood, it is a sharp-looking compartment, and at the heart of it is a built Pontiac 400 motor with a performance cam, Edelbrock aluminum heads, and a polished intake with a Holley fuel injection on top. Also has an MSD ignition and nickel-plated headers, a beautiful March front runner system with billet brackets and pulleys, a serpentine belt, polished compressor, alternator, and power steering with a remote reservoir. A vintage air, heat, and AC system will keep you nice and comfy in this car. And the Chrome Power brake booster has a Wilwood master cylinder. The wiper motor is new and the washers are hooked up. A big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans keeps this car running cool. And the entire engine bay is clean and painted nice. The firewall has been made smooth, and those billet hinges aren't just pretty. The hood opens so smoothly because of them. Seriously, my dad brags about any car with those hinges. Now this car was a body off-frame restored, and under this car looks new and has many performance upgrades to it. Now up front is UMI suspension with tubular control arms and QA1 adjustable coilover adjustable gas shocks and a sway bar. And in back it has adjustable upper control arms, box lower control arms, a sway bar, and coilover adjustable gas shocks. Now the car has Willwood brake system with a drilled and slotted disc and red calipers at all 4 wheels, and all new lines e-brake assembly. It has custom 3-inch exhaust with resonators, mufflers, and turn down tips, and it even has an all new fuel system compatible with the fuel injection. And looking up at the motor, it has chrome oil pan and high torque starter, and has been upgraded with a high performance Art Car 200R4 overdrive automatic trans with an aluminum pan. A rebuilt drive shaft leads back to a heavy-duty 9-inch rear with a 355 posi gears. The floors are spotless and smooth, rust-free metal painted satin black. Now our shop has inspected the car and all had to do was hook up the reverse lights. Seriously, this car is ready to be driven. Every aspect of this car has been meticulously thought out, installed, and tested. And if you want a beautiful, comfortable, reliable car that all you need to do is turn the key, then this is it. With that being said, don't let the opportunity slip off your fingertips. Go on and give us a call, and we can help set up delivering this car to your door and even set up financing. Thanks for watching.